Hello children, I am Priyanka Goyal, your English teacher. Today we will continue the fifth chapter of class 6. The name of the story is Annie is in Trouble. So children, as you know, this story is about a girl, Annie. How she's stuck in trouble, let's find out. First, recall the previous story that I explained you in my previous videos. Annie is a girl who was adopted by Marilla. Marilla got disappointed and irritated when she reached at home and found the Annie nowhere. She already gave instruction to Annie to prepare the tea and other work, but now she found Annie nowhere in the house. So she got irritated. She got angry. Now she had herself to prepare the meal. When she is going to the Annie's room to find some candles, she got surprised when she found Annie in the room hiding her face over the pillows. She is not ready to show her face. She is not ready to talk also. After insisting a lot, she showed her face. She got surprised when she saw that Annie's hair had turned wild green color. Annie was very disappointed. She was feeling very repentant. She was feeling very ashamed because on her hair, Marilla asked to explain everything, how her hair turned into such a horrible green color. Then she explained that in the absence of Marilla, when she was all alone in the house, a peddler came. Peddler means a salesman who sells the things door to door. So she bought hair dye color from that peddler. That peddler assured Annie that this dye will turn the Annie's hair into a beautiful raven black color. But when she applied that color dye, instead of black color, her hair changed into wild, ugly green color. Now she is feeling ashamed to come in front of anybody. She is thinking that everyone will make fun of her. Now, section 3rd. We will continue the story from here. Well, I hope you will really repent, Marilla said Marilla severely, and that you have got your eyes open to where your vanity had led you, Annie. Goodness knows what to be done. I suppose the first thing is to give your hair a good washing and see if that will do any good. The first suggestion that Marilla gave to Annie to wash the hair. According to Marilla, Annie washed her hair, scrubbing it vigorously with soap and water. But for all the difference it made, she might as well have been scoring its original red. The peddler had certainly spoken the truth when he declared that the dye would not wash off. But washing the hair didn't work. The color didn't wash off. Oh, Marilla, what shall I do now? Questioned Annie in tears. I can never live this down. They have pretty well forgotten my other mistake, but they will never forget this. They will think I am not respectable. Oh, Marilla, oh, how they will laugh. Marilla, I cannot face them. I am unhappiest girl in Prince Edward Island. Annie's unhappiness continued for a week. During that time, she went nowhere, shampooed her hair every day. Diana alone of outsiders knew the fatal secret, but she promised never to tell, and she kept her word. At the end of the week, Marilla said decidedly, "It is no use, Annie. That is fast dye. If ever there was any, your hair must be cut off. There is no other way. You cannot go out with it looking like that." Annie's lips quivered, but she realized the bitter truth of Marilla's remark. With a very sad sigh, she went for scissors. "Please cut it off at once, Marilla, and have it over. My heart is broken. I am going to weep all the time you are cutting it off." It seems such a tragic thing. Annie wept then, but later on, when she went upstairs and looked in glass, she was calm with despair. Washing the hair again and again didn't work. Then Marilla suggested to cut off the hair. Now, with a heavy heart, Annie is ready to get cutted her hair. Marilla done her work thoroughly, and it had been necessary to cut the hair as closely as possible. The result was not becoming. Annie promptly turned her glass to the wall. "I will never look at myself again. My hair grows," she exclaimed. Then she suddenly righted the glass. "Yes, I will too. I would do penance." Here, penance means something that you do to show that you are sorry. Being wicked that way, I will look myself every time I come to my room and see how ugly I am, and would not try to imagine it away. Either I never thought I was vain about my hair of all things, but now I know I was, in spite of its being red, because it was so long and thick and curly. I expect something will happen to my nose next. Annie clipped had made a sensation in school on the following Monday, but to her relief, nobody guessed the real reason for it. Made a sensation, made many people talk. Annie's clipped hat made a sensation in school on the following Monday. Means she covered her head. So many people were talking about that, but to her relief, nobody guessed and the real reason for it. Okay, this was the story about. So children, we learn this story from this story कि we should not buy any kind of product from anywhere, especially from any peddler. We should think, and we should be assured about the quality of the product before purchasing anything. We should be careful while we are purchasing anything which we apply on our body. So I hope you enjoy the story. You learn a lot from this story. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.